Hello guys, okay, welcome back to my channel. Join me as I get to the biggest manufacturing show in the UK. As you all know, I'm very passionate about manufacturing, and this show shows us a glimpse to what the future holds in terms of manufacturing technology. Now this is just me trying to look as smart casual as possible, given the UK weather. So we need to dress the part, show up, and crush those ceilings. Hope you guys have been fine. I hope you guys have been doing all right. For those of you that have used this channel to make it through the chevening process, congratulations. I can't wait to welcome you to the big chevening family. So this is me basically showing you how beautiful some part of Coventry is. So this is Coventry University, and in as much as I study at the University of Warwick, I basically live at the center of Coventry University. So it feels like I attended two universities, or I'm attending two universities basically. However, the big event is going to be happening in Birmingham, and Birmingham is just about 40 minutes away from Coventry. It actually depends on what mode of transportation you decide to use, whether it's the train or a car or a bus. Any of these modes of transport is possible in this area. So come along if you are considering studying at the University of Coventry or the University of Warwick. You'd be sure that you'd have an opportunity or some reason to get to the city center, and this is basically the journey to Coventry city center. Just in your little steps, you find the Coventry University hub, and before you get to the hub, you'd also find that there are places where you could buy breakfast, pizza, basically spots for eating out. It's the city center, so it's expected that you find things for fun, where you can eat, where you can socialize basically. So I'm on my way to the bus stop. The bus stop is about 8 minutes away, walking, so I have to walk to the bus stop. And one of the things that one of the culture shocks basically in the UK, especially for me who's coming from Lagos, is the fact that I have to work a lot, or run after buses a lot, or even miss my buses sometimes. However, it's over 6 months now, so I've really gotten used to my timing, to be able to manage my time, use Google Map as often as possible, and just be able to be a good time manager basically. So this is the hub, the Coventry University hub. This is the hub. You know, if you come into Coventry, you definitely have some reason to interact with this hub. And this is Herbert Gallery. It's an art gallery that's at the heart of Coventry as well. So if you're looking for, you know, spotlights for Coventry, you know, these are the two places. There are other beautiful places. You have the Belgrade Theatre, and I'm going to take you on a tour through those some other time, basically. So let's walk to the bus stop. Just a little steps ahead, you'd also find the cathedral. The popular Coventry Cathedral is not far from this bus stop. So this is what the bus stops in Coventry look like. Yeah, you can see the red and white signpost. Basically shows you that that's a bus stop. And now I'm on my way to Birmingham, and this is the X1 bus. It goes to Birmingham, and you can buy a bus ticket at Coventry for £4 for the day. When I mean £4, it covers the whole of West Midlands. So when you talk about the West Midlands, there are a lot of counties. I think it's counties they are called, that make up the West Midlands. You have places like Leicester, Coventry, Birmingham, you know, and some other places like that. You just have to Google places that are in the West Midlands. There's literally a map that covers, you know, West Midlands. And so £4 for the whole day, so it means I can keep jumping on and off a bus throughout the day, all under £4. I think that's pretty cool. Now this is the Birmingham Airport. Yeah, I got to the airport. I didn't take you through all the stress, but this is what Birmingham Airport looks like, and there is a bus stop there. And finally, we are at the NEC Center, the NEC Center at Birmingham, and I'm on my way to the biggest manufacturing show in the UK. Yeah. As much as I can, I'm going to, you know, just take you through the NEC at Birmingham, and so you see what it looks like. So there's an international airport there. So if you're coming to Coventry, the closest airport for you to go through is definitely the Birmingham Airport. So if you have an option to come through Birmingham, do take it. It's better because, you know, it's cheaper for you to get through to Coventry. Yeah, so let's continue the journey to the exhibition hall. So you can see how big the NEC Center is. I mean, right here, a lot of other programs or shows were taking place simultaneously. I mean, it is really massive. Like, I had to walk about 15 to 20 minutes just inside the same building trying to get to the match event. Right, yeah. So basically, it's really, really huge, with loads and loads of places to eat, drink, and enjoy. So let's walk to the match center. I think it starts with registration. So first of all, got registered and then went in to see the beautiful thing. So this is the ABB stand, and that's a robot. Good car. I had the opportunity to take a picture in. Like, if you have long legs, then this car is not for you because it took a while to get in and out. Various section to various section. This is a forklift. Some of us know what a forklift is. There was also a part for food where you could eat. Because it was a full day's exhibition. One technology that you find across board is almost every machine had a button attached to it, and when I mean a button, it had some sort of inputs, computer kind of inputs medium. So what it basically means is that we're moving very fast away from very manual production methods, and everything is going to, we're already in industry 5.0, and yeah. These are my beautiful classmates. Best day of work. Tell me about your software.
Yeah, so this is software for programming CNC machines.
Oh.
So the like machine that you can see over there. Okay. So you take a model in, take a model of this, and then you take a bill of material and you machine it.
So you just use your program to...
Yeah, this is what you're seeing here, but we have quite a lot of other software.
Oh.
Is there any particular type of software you're interested in?
Not necessarily. So we're students.
Yeah.
Now we're actually doing our automation and robotics model.
Oh, okay.
So one of the things we're going to be doing is sort of programming CNC machines.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
No
to be able
worries.
to design things like that.
Yeah, so this is the CAM element. So you would have the design side, which would be the CAD element. And then in order to create that, you need the CAM So the cam creates G code, which allows you to cut the material, and then you measure it. Take it across, and you can measure it to make sure you cut it properly. Okay. No worries.
is a water jet machine. If you've ever heard about a water jet machine, this is what it looks like. It's actually my first time of seeing one, and then it felt like it was quite big. I'm still trying to understand this technology because I feel, from a personal perspective, I feel like it's a very bulky machine, though it's a very fast cutter. I hope I'm able to show you how it cuts metal. So basically it's just water under pressure that is used to cut out shapes. As you can see, there's a nozzle just right there. I think I have maybe attached another part where I captured how, this is an example of something that it cuts the flow. Oh, I didn't show it. Well, I'll show something along the way, an example of some cutouts that the machine had done. Strolling through all the aisles and checking out all the technologies, it felt like everything seemed alike. By alike, I mean everything was robotic, basically, and it made me wonder if we are all ready for the future of work. When I mean all, or we, I mean globally, all the countries, Africa, are we ready for this? Are we ready, or are we trying to put things in order to be ready? Because the world is not waiting for us. We're still talking about how to get into industry 4.0, and 5.0 is staring us in the eyes, or in the face rather. So I really think we have to get ready. I really think we have to sit up in the things that we're doing and tap from these technologies. So this is a welding machine, as you can see, literally welding. It's the screen up there shows you the weld. It tries to help monitor what this weld is doing. Life seems very, very easy. It looks very precise and accurate, and if you look at it very well, it's a very tiny, it's very tiny, joining those two parts together. For this part, I'm going to be uploading a part 2 to the channel, so stay tuned. Hit the notification button if you haven't done so, and subscribe so that you get notified and you're able to get more content from me. Cheers and have a lovely day. Bye.